Welcome back to Riddle Rush. Challenge your mind. The Planet Quiz. In this video we are going to explore the 8 planets in our solar system with the ultimate planet quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Let's get started. First question. I'm the largest planets in our solar system. Which planet am I? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. I'm Jupiter and I'm the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's about 11 times wider than Earth with an equatorial diameter of 88,846 miles. Second question. I'm the hottest planet in our solar system. Which planet am I? A. Venus. B. Uranus. C. Earth. I'm Venus. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system. I'm the second planet from the Sun. Third question. I'm the planet closest to the Sun. Which planet am I? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Uranus. I'm Mercury. I'm the closest planet to the Sun. It takes only 88 days for Mercury to complete one revolution around the Sun. Fourth question. I'm the third planet from the Sun. Which planet am I? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Earth. I'm Earth, the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. Just slightly larger than nearby Venus. Fifth question. I'm the farthest planet from the Sun. Which planet am I? A. Neptune. B. Mercury. C. Uranus. I'm Neptune, and I'm the farthest planet. Its distance from Sun in the solar system is 4,495 million. Sixth question. I'm the coldest planet in the solar system. Which planet am I? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Uranus. I'm Uranus, and I'm the coldest temperature ever measured in the solar system, a very chilly. Seventh question. I'm fourth in line from the Sun. Which planet am I? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. I'm Mars. The fourth planet from the Sun is a dusty, cold, desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Eighth question. I'm the smallest planet in our solar system. Which planet am I? A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Mercury. I'm Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the nearest to the Sun, the only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Ninth question. I'm the closest planets to the Earth. Which planet am I? A. Jupiter. B. Venus. C. Mercury. I'm Venus, and I'm the closest planet to Earth at most times and under most circumstances. The orbit of my lies at a distance of 67 million miles from the Sun. 10th question. I'm the planet's famous for its beautiful and prominent ring system. Which planet am I? A. Uranus. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. I'm Saturn, and I'm famous for my beautiful and prominent ring system, the sixth planet from the Sun, and the second largest in the solar system. It's surrounded by beautiful rings. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.